In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Riot Client app on your computer. So the first step is to open a browser and then search for Riot Games. And then over here, click on the first link and then sign in over here. So click on the sign in button at the top right. It's going to ask you to create an account. If you have an account, then you can just use it. Otherwise, you can just create one. So we'll just wait for this. So I'm going to just enter my account. And then once you're signed in, you can now scroll down and then look for the game that you want to download, or just click on any game since all of them are going to lead to downloading Riot Client, and then click on play for free. And then over here, click on download whichever device you're on. And then I'm going to just click open here. I'm going to wait for this. And once it's done, it's going to open, and then just click yes. And then over here, let's open it. And then we can click on install to download this. As you can see, you can change the location as well. So let's click install. And I'm going to skip. And once it's done that little install, it's going to be like around 300 megabytes. That's going to be Riot Client downloading, and then it's going to open up. And you can just exit out of here. You don't have to click install. This is the actual installer for the League of Legends game. So you can just close this, and then when we go to our desktop, you can see Riot Client right here. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.